Hi friends, today I am going to discuss about the 6-speed gearbox. In 6-speed gearbox, the minimum RPM is 160 and maximum RPM is 500. So we have to draw a kinematic diagram as well as a array diagram. So this question is asked in April 2011. So it is a given data. So psi power n minus 1 is equal to n max by n minimum. So we know the n max, we know the n minimum value. So n value is 6. Just to substitute, we will get 1.2559. It is not matched with the standard value. So if we consider R20 series, the standard value is 1.12. If we one more time multiply with 1.12, we are getting 1.26. If we take R40 series, we have to multiply the 1.06 three more times, then only we are getting 1.26. So I am choosing R20 series. So 1.12 extra one time we are multiplying. So in R20 series we have to neglect one value. So we are neglecting one value from R20 series, then we are multiplying with the minimum speed 160. So like that we are obtaining the 6 speeds. So the structural formula is 3 into 2. In first bracket always will be the 1. In second bracket the first value is 3. That same value will be there in a second bracket. So array diagram, it is the two stage, 3 into 2, 3 into 2. So it is the two stage. So if it is two stage, we have to draw a 3 vertical line. So shaft 1, shaft 2 and shaft 3. So two stage process. So it is a 6-speed gearbox. So I am drawing a 6 horizontal line. So I am mentioning 6 speeds. So now I have to so 3 into 1, 2 into 3. 2 into 3 means I have to mark 2 speed with the gap of 3. So I have marked 2 speed with the gap of 3. Now I have to locate the input speed. For that the condition is n minimum by n input, n minimum by n input greater than or equal to 1 by 4, n max by n minimum, n input less than or equal to 2. So in this condition, so in this n minimum is 160, so n max equal to 320. So just to substitute here, find the n input value. So that value is 256. So just to connect that lines, now we have to mark 3 speed with a gap of 1. So then we have to find out the n input. So we have to use the same previous conditions. By using this condition, I am finding the n input is 504. So by using this, I am joining all the lines. So now I am connecting all the lines. So parallel to the CA, I have to draw the D lines. So parallel to the CB, I have to draw one parallel line. So it is the kinematic arrangement. So it is a 3 into 2 speed gearbox. So in the input shaft I am drawing 3 gears, in output shaft I am drawing the 2 gears. So the output gear is 8 and 10. To pair this we are connecting the 7 and 9. So 135 is the input gear. To pair with this gear we are arranging 2, 4 and 6. Thank you.